What up, cuties? Today we're back. Our mom, she is not here in this video, but we are doing the jalapeno pepper challenge. As you see, we have this right here, and we have cups full of milk halfway. But here's the challenge. We want to see who can eat the whole pepper first.
And now we're going to say grace and do our thumbnail. Lord, my shepherd, I shall not want. Amen, bam.
All right.
I'm trying now.
Starting in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's hot. Yeah, that's really hot. I didn't think it was this hot, man. Guys, we are getting the full effect.
That's like me once.
I cannot lose to my brother, man. I cannot. So yeah, this is really hot. My ears are ringing.
For me, my tongue's like burning. My mouth is like burning.
Right on the sides.
For right here, it's like hurt, but it don't. For my tongue, it like hurts.
I can't. It's unbelievable, huh, guys? Don't try this. Just don't. I cannot lose, man. Guys, I'm gonna go for my third bite, guys. And I didn't think it was this hot. So I'm gonna take another bite. This is for you guys. Wow.
I'm about to take my next bite. This how far I gotten.
I'm back, guys.
Here's how far we both have gotten. Comment down below who you think ate the most so far.
Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up with the notification bell.
Like and subscribe and share the video with everybody else.
Any and everybody. I mean, that's what he just said, but
We love you all, cuties. Goodbye.
peace.